We just remodeled our bathroom and we were sent these vanity lights, and I absolutely love the look of them. They have such a beautiful modern vibe to them. They fit perfectly with our LED mirror that we got as well. And my husband's gonna show you the really cool light functionality of these lights.
One of the great things about these is that you can color tune them to your desired color temperature in all the standard color temperature ways. So we have 2700, we have 3000, we have 4000, 5000, which is considered daylight, and then there's 6500. It's just a little bit more like an ultra blue. Really great to be able to have that. If you didn't want the sticker on there, it's very easy to be able to remove. We're just leaving it on there because it's really nice to be able to get a decision on what color temperature we want, but you can change the color temperature depending on the time of day that you're utilizing it as well. Very easy to be able to use this. These can be used in very humid environments. They're very sealed, but they have a very cool contemporary look to them. That's what they look like down. That's what they look like up. Standard J box behind there. Very easy to be able to install them, and we love them so much. We know you are going to love them as well.